Hey guys, and welcome back to All Things LaToya. LaToya here. And yeah, today I'm just checking in with you guys. And as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be talking about my locks. So before we begin, if you are new here, thanks so much for tuning in. Please consider subscribing and joining our family. And if you're already a family member, thanks for tuning in today. I do appreciate all your love and support. So if you're interested in my lock journey, let's get started. So, I don't know when I got locks. I think it was like February. I want to say it was like February 23rd, 2020. I'll put the date down here somewhere because I'm going to look for it and make sure I give you guys the right date. But, so, as some of you know, I had a son. So, some of you know my fertility journey, fibroids, one miscarriage, one termination because it was a ectopic pregnancy, so it basically would have killed me possibly. So I think the death percentage in ectopic pregnancy is pretty high. I don't know, maybe I'll look up that percentage and put that in here, but the egg gets planted in the fallopian tube rather than the uterus. And so, yeah, and then I had this little munchkin that is sitting here looking at me. So I'll let y'all see him. Say hello. So he's eating avocado and cheese. So he is now 9 months. He'll be 10 months on the 27th. And you know, geez, my idea, like, you know, when I got on YouTube was to just share my life and all this stuff. And I really wanted to share more of my journey. But, man, you know, pregnancy wasn't hard. But I'm going to say just some personal things on top of pregnancy made things just a bit more difficult for me to post. I have had a difficult time adjusting, just in general. And I did say I was going to do a video about, you know, just my postpartum and things like that, because I'm still dealing with a lot of issues. So yeah, I didn't get to post as much as I wanted to, but like I said, I had an ectopic pregnancy, and then I got pregnant with this little one, born September 27, 2019. He was 19 inches, and 19 inches long, and he was 6 pounds. I believe that's right. And yeah, so after I had Eli and I was on maternity leave for like almost 6 months, it was just kind of a crash and burn situation for me. You see all those moms that just have it together. They just literally have everything together. They have their schedule together. Baby's on a schedule. They're on a schedule. They're working out, doing all this crazy stuff. And if anybody who watches me actually personally knows me, knows that I used to be a fitness junkie. And some of you guys may know it too if you followed any of my other social medias. I loved to work out, and I still love to work out. I have yet to return to that person, but I am definitely trying. But yeah, it was horrible. So like how most moms like will sleep while the baby's sleeping, just that perfect little routine. Not over here. Not so. No way, no how. It just didn't happen for me. It did not happen for me. And even thinking about it now, it kind of makes me want to cry because I just wanted to get it together, you know? Or like get it right up against society standards, how things should go. Definitely didn't go that way for me. And so I decided that I was just going to lock myself up, you know, lock my hair. It would make one less thing I had to do in the morning or every day to make myself look half decent. Now, you know, locks can be a little messy, and mine are a bit messy right now, which I don't really like that because I normally go get them done. But I haven't went and had them done recently, but I did get them interlocked last time. And I'm also going to share some pictures down here with you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to share my lock journey because I thought it was interesting, and I love watching. what he said. I love watching lock journeys and, you know, people just doing different things. What is it, 2 years ago, I like literally shaved my whole head off, and I'll put some pictures down here as well. But this time, I just wanted to still stay natural, but find a way to not have to like really do my hair all the time, more so like maintain it. And yeah, so I decided to lock up, and and I love it. How does my husband feel about it? I don't know. Sometimes he likes it, sometimes he doesn't. It's like, I miss your natural hair, and I'm just like, my hair is so natural. It's just not all coily like it used to be and curly, you know? But I love my locks. Like I said, I wish I could keep them a little more maintained, but due to COVID-19 and the pandemic and the world being in utter chaos, makes it a bit difficult to get it done right now. But I did retwist it once myself, and I do have the gel that my stylist uses. So I might try to do it, but yeah, I gotta find time for that because I'm now working from home, and I work like 12 to 8:30. So in the morning I'm with the baby, and then I'm working pretty much all afternoon, and me and the hubby kind of just like toss baby in between both of us. So, but yeah, that was my reasoning for starting my lock journey. It was easier. It was one less thing that I had to do and worry about. I could do my makeup and be like super cute. So apparently he's going through something right now. We'll see what happens. He might start screaming and crying. We'll see. But yeah, so I've enjoyed my journey so far. I intend on letting my locks grow. I want to keep them for like 2 years and then just like get them untangled and unlocked. I'll be back. All right, guys. So back. A little change of scenery here in my husband's office, and this one is eating a cracker now. We're eating one cracker together. It's a beet cracker made out of beets, so it's really good and healthy. Yeah. So like I have immensely enjoyed my lock journey thus far. And like I said, I intend on letting them grow as long as possible, but only for about 2 years. So it's about 2022. Then I want to get them unlocked, which a lot of people say you can't get done, but you can. Yeah, so you can definitely get them unlocked. It just takes a whole minute and you lose some hair. So that's why I intend on letting it grow out as long as possible and then unlocking it and just seeing how much hair I can save. But yeah, so that's why I started my lock journey. That's kind of where I am now with it. Here. That's kind of where I am now with it. I love it. I don't know if I maintain it properly, but the only thing I'm just trying to do is making sure my hair doesn't break off, and I'm good. But kind of more on the personal level, a lot of people start their lock journey for like a spiritual awakening or like a spiritual shedding. I guess that's what you would call it. That's just what I would call it. Don't come for me in the comments if I'm saying this wrong. But a lot of people go through transitions in life, and I feel like every transition I've been through in life so far, I've done something different with my hair. So like when I was getting the fibroids removed, I shaved my hair out basically. And so this time around, motherhood, being a wife, all that drama that comes along with that, but a lot of good as well. But it, like I said, it's been a lot, and that'll kind of be what I'll talk about, like I guess in my postpartum. But because of all that, just locking it up just was maybe just like me becoming more self-aware, like self-awareness, like just kind of coming into a new place in my life. A very difficult place, but yet it's still a good place, but just kind of just like learning myself all over, and just learning how to juggle the multiple roles that I have and things like that. So, I don't know. Sometimes I feel like it could be a spiritual thing for me, but I'm already a spiritual person. I have my faith and things of that nature. So I don't necessarily think it's the exact same for me, but sometimes I feel that way. Like locking it up was a type of freedom for me, even though it's like totally opposite. Lock or locking something up like means bondage, but how can it mean freedom? But it's like the freedom to just kind of be yourself and just be free. That's crazy, right? So yeah, I hope that all made sense. Somebody out there understood what I said. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys some pictures of me initially getting locks, and I think I have like a couple other clips in there that I'll add, and just some pictures. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos of my lock journey, let me know in the comments. I will do a video possibly about like how I style it. If I style it, this is kind of just like my everyday style. And then what was I gonna say? And then I can do another video of, or I can in the same video just do some other styles that I've tried or some styles that I've been wanting to try. So yeah, let me know in the comments about that, if you guys want to see that, and whatever other videos you guys want to see. I did start a business, so I will put that in the description as well, so you guys check me out. I might start doing some entrepreneurship videos, but that's a whole lot for me to do, running a business, working, trying to be a good wife and a good mother. So yeah, but anywho, thanks for chilling with me today, guys, and watching this video. This one is getting a bit fussy, and I do have to go back to work. I'm actually on break doing this video. So love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure you check out all of my other videos. Love you guys.